He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. If the situation were reversed, he'd look for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Es ist ein bisschen viel Sequenz und wenig Game irgendwie. Und wie viel ist noch am Anfang? Hoffe jetzt einfach mal. Sonst wäre es ein bisschen schade. Aber es sieht schon verdammt geil aus. Und da oben ist blauer Himmel, das sehe ich wohl auch.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
Ah, jetzt kann ich wieder
There's some
klicken.
tracks leading to the river.
Also. Folge Javier.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
Ah, da musst du gar nicht mehr drücken in dem Fall. Scheiße.
And suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkerton. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here.
Drücken und entfernen. Ja, das habe ich schon gemacht.
Bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
They continue along the cliff wall here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hot again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast.
Alter, nie im Leben würde ich so viel rausgehen. Vor allem, wenn sie dann zumal nicht so Jacken hatten, wie wir sie heute.
Watch yourself. It's not very wide here.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Nee. Nur nicht übersäuern. Woher weiss er noch, wo er durch muss, sonst keine Fußspuren mehr.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that? Despacio. John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
Schon oben.
Come on! Up there!
Sag es ja. Lauf.
He's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here.
Ja, so ist es gescheiter, oder?
I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead?
Also du kannst nur eine einzige Hand hören und du kannst sie allerdings gegen eine andere Waffe
Grab your
austauschen.
shotgun. Come on.
Oh, nicht. Hä? Aha. Waffenabwehr. Ja. Was? Aha.
Down this way.
Ja, jetzt haben wir es gut. Ja, das ist noch ein bisschen tricky. Das muss ich noch. Das kommt auch manchmal nicht gut. Aber wir schaffen das schon. Und das ist schon gut. Ja, Alter, willst du noch klettern, oder was?
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay,
Yeah, that we're high up here.
you're telling me.
Dann also wird links unten noch die Außer Anzeige und da.
Careful. There's a drop here.
Stand ist klar. Okay.
It's slippery. Be careful. Watch your head here.
Ach so.
Okay. Good now.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up here. Come on. Gap here.
Was brauche ich jetzt? Aha, ja, musst gleich essen, das habe ich gedacht.
That sounds closer now. Come on.
Ah, das finde ich jetzt nicht so geil.
Tell me, John.
Andere feiern das, aber ich eigentlich. Und du musst immer schauen, habe ich noch zu essen? Kann ich das machen? Nein, das ist nicht so meins. Ich bin echt der, der meistens durchsäckelt und alles kaputt macht und niemand schaut, also nie richtig auf Gesundheit schauen. Oder sich selber hochheilen, so gesagt.
Marston!
John, can you hear me? John! John!
John!
Over here! Down on the ledge! That's John! We're coming! Fella's there! He's down here! Down here!
Wo? Ah.
That's quite a scratch you got there.
Never thought I'd say this, but it's good to see you, Arthur Morgan.
You don't look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre. Well,
Za's wieder
go
zurück.
back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
I'm sure you did.
You all right?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Ja, hoi.
Look up there.
Perfect. You head for the horses. I'll keep John's friends off until you're clear.
All right, John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Kommt ihr Bastarden.
We'll get you out of here. Arthur, distract them. Keep them off us.
Stay back!
Oh, du Verfluchter! Triff ihn nicht mal, Hey! Komm da her, komm du Bastard. Saumaul.
Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show up.
Nee, we gaan het nog niet maken. Dan wel niet. Ja, chillst du sie. Jetzt ist 10 Minuten mehr oder weniger früh, ist jetzt auch nicht.
Come on then. Let's get back to the others.
Also, Details. Ja. Interessiert mich nicht. Gut.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine. It's just like a dog bite.
Knew a fella? Got bit by a dog. Died. An hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Die Soundkulisse ist schon recht geil. Ich mag das.
More coming down the hill. Go!
Ja, trifft doch! Einer weniger.
Look out on the right.
Zwei
Coming
wenig.
in on the left. Stay back.
Get out of here!
Ja, Blinken trifft mehr als ich.
Get the hell out of here. Easy. Hey, come on, Arthur. You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Ja, Marston, das ist eben der von... vom ersten
Got a hell
Teil.
of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know, we're gonna need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
See those buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there. Come on! Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here? Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Here we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You
you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization?
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
We have been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.